What is Python? Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python syntax is designed to be intuitive and its code more readable, making it a popular choice for beginners and experts alike. It has a vast standard library and a large ecosystem of third-party packages, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and scientific computing. What are the most commonly used languages today? The TIOBE Index and other programming language rankings provide a view of the most commonly used languages. You may check out the screenshot. What job can Python do today? Python is an incredibly versatile programming language and can be used in a wide range of fields today, including but not limited to web development, data analysis and data visualization, machine learning and artificial intelligence, scientific and numeric computing, software development, automation and scripting, game development, cybersecurity and network programming, Internet of Things, IoT, education and training. Python's widespread use, active community, and the vast array of libraries make it a go-to language for many different types of jobs and applications in the modern tech landscape. Why is Python language so popular today? The key factors, combined with its long history and continuous evolution, have solidified Python's position as one of the most popular programming languages today.